Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add Google Analytics to Teachable. So let's get straight into it. Now here we are in Teachable in home page right here. Now before starting, ensure that you have already Google Analytics account and you have created web data stream to obtain your measurement ID, which I will also show you quickly how you can do that in this video. So let's go to the step number 1. Okay, so log in into your Google Analytics uh, account and then go here to admin. You will see here home, report, uh, explore advertising, and so on. Now, if I go back to the admin, so I can also type in here admin and click on it, and we are back in admin page. Now, just scroll down a little bit to data collection and modification, and after that you will see exactly below the data streams. Click on that, and right here all the magic happens. So here you can create yourself a iOS app, Android app, or web app. So if I click on that, uh, if you click on that, then you can create yourself an web page, for example. So here you copy your URL, then you can set your stream name, and after that you are pretty much done with that. And when you create yourself streams, you will see here on the left side measurement ID, and this is what we need in today's video. Okay, so step number 2, we go to install Google Analytics in Teachable. So log in into your Teachable school as an admin. On the left hand sidebar, navigate to the App Hub. So right here, App Hub. Locate the Google Analytics, which is not that hard. You will just scroll a little bit down and you will see it right over here. Click on it and click Install. In the pop-up model, paste your measurement ID. So like that, we have do that and hit install, and app is now successfully installed. Now what we can do, so now because Teachable uses a separate domain for checkout, it is recommended to set up cross-domain tracking to prevent traffic from being split. Now we need to go back to the Google Analytics and go to the admin and data stream like before, and select your web data stream and configure tag settings right down here, as you can see it, like so. That opens up, and now you will click here to configure your domains, and we will add contains. So we will add here the teachable.com. and add your and add another condition for your own custom domain. Save that. And now open your Teachable school site and go here, right here to so now that you set up everything, you can go here to and type in reports, like so, and you will see here the real time, like right here, real time, and you will see if everything is correct. You should see your visit reflected in the report right here. So this is it, how you can add Google Analytics to Teachable and how you can use it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.